Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your PS4 games to PS5 versions. Obviously you need a PS5 console and the disc for that game, or if it's a downloaded game, you can just go to your game library and I will show you how to do that as well. So as you can see, I have inserted the disc for The Last of Us Part 2, and then as soon as you insert the disc into your PS5, if you are logged into your account, it will go ahead and begin copying that game to the hard drive of your PS5. So depending on how big the game is, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to maybe 20 or 30 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward now and show you what to do once the game has completely copied over to your hard drive. All right, and once you've copied the game to your hard drive, you need to go to the game itself. So select the game here in your game library. And then instead of hitting play, hit the three dots next to the word play. And then once you're here, go to view product. And then under view product, you will see something right here where you see $59.99. It will say free. Now there are a list of games, a running list on the internet that will tell you whether or not the game you're trying to upgrade has a PS5 version or a PS5 free upgrade. Not all games do. I will link the IGN list below that will have all of the games that currently have free upgrades to PS5 versions of the game. Games like Destiny 2, Dirt 5, Spider-Man, Miles Morales, all of those games have free upgrades, and all you have to do is copy them to your hard drive. It'll say PS4 version. Once you're there, go back to that game, click the three dots here next to play, go to view product, and then all you'll have to do is select the free option right here. It'll say free and then PS5, and then it will automatically basically re-download the game again. So it'll re-download the PS5 version. It's basically like a new game. It's the same game, but it's a new version of that game for the PS5 right here. And then once you're ready, you'll be able to play it like normal right here, free PS5 update from the game itself. So that's how you do it. If this helped you out, go ahead and help me out by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more great tech content just like this. And I will see you guys in the next video.